talk about an ideal financial portfolio. And when we talk about an ideal financial portfolio, a lot of you might just straight start thinking about your investments, which is a part of your financial portfolio. But the very first step towards having the right kind of financial portfolio is by covering yourself with the right kind of life insurance policy. And that here would be a pure term insurance. If you are talking about traditional life insurance policies where you get a chunk of money or some amount of money after the death of the policy holder, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a pure term life insurance where for a particular period of time you will be covered, and all your financial risk and liabilities will be covered for that specific period. There are obviously a lot of variations even in a term life insurance policy. So first, invest in a good term life insurance. Second, get a health insurance plan for yourself and for your family. A lot of you might be covered through your employer, but that is not enough, because once you quit the job, you will have to buy a health insurance policy for yourself. So it's always better to be on the safer side. Yes, stay covered by your employer's group insurance policy, but also get a separate individual health insurance plan or a family floater, whatever is suitable for you. And next comes your investment process. Mark down your goals, see the amount you can invest, see the amount that you would be needing, or the amount that you need to accumulate to fulfill those goals. And if you are risk averse, or if you do not understand the market, do not go into direct equity, go through the route of mutual funds. So life insurance, health insurance, and investment through mutual funds. And obviously you need to strategize it depending on the kind of goals you have. But this is a basic outlay of a financial portfolio that you should have.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.